Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra is here at Verizon Prepaid. It got released back in February. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note series and you guys like the S Pen and stuff like that, and the features of the Galaxy Note, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you. Also, you guys have it in 4 colors. This is the titanium color option. So you guys have titanium yellow, titanium violet, titanium gray, which we're looking at here in the video, and titanium black. Alright. You have 2 storage options: 256 gigs, $12.99.99. The 512GB version is $14.19.99. Alright, so yeah, it's running in the back of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Looks like any other recent Galaxy flagship phone from the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S23 Ultra line. So very nice. I do like this one a lot. I like the design of the phone, features of the phone. I am a big fan of the design of the phone. I like the phone a lot. Very nice looking phone. So you guys have 4 cameras on the back. Camera flash, Samsung logo, your S Pen obviously. Front of the phone has your hole punch front facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Front of the phone is your hole punch for your front facing camera, earpiece, volume keys, power button on the right side of the phone. Left side has nothing. The left side has nothing, and you do have camera bumps there on the back, so be mindful of that. There's a back, like I said, 4 cameras. Camera flash, Samsung logo. So yeah, very nice. Power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. Front again. Your S Pen. That's front and back once again. So very nice looking phone. So yeah. So the Galaxy S24 Ultra has up to 4.58 days of standby time. 200 megapixel wide angle camera. That's your main camera. With optical image stabilization, autofocus f1.7 aperture, 10 megapixel. You have 2 telephoto cameras here. You have one that's 10 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, autofocus at 2.4 aperture. Then you have a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 5 times optical zoom, autofocus f 3.4 aperture, and then a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with autofocus f 2.2 aperture, laser autofocus, and you get a camera flash, of course. You do get portrait, pro video, single take, night mode, food, panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, dual recording camera. Introducing Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, now with many next-gen AI features and capabilities. Powered with Galaxy AI, Galaxy S24 Ultra adapts to your passions and behaviors to make a new level of achievement possible. Pair Galaxy S24 Ultra with Verizon, the network America relies on, and experience ultra-fast connectivity with Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network, now in more and more places. Right? With the help of Galaxy AI, everyday tasks can be much easier. Get the answers you're looking for with the conversational search using Circle to search with Google by simply circling it using your S Pen, very convenient, or your finger. You might as well use the S Pen because that's why you got the phone, right? Galaxy AI can also help you organize, translate, and summarize your notes with a Note Assist and act as your personal companion that can summarize and translate online web pages. Experience borderless communication with Fly Translate when calling, texting, and interpreting on the spot. Taking photos is now even better and natural, true to life color with high resolution night photography Zoom provides the clearest, steadiest zoom for taking pictures and videos in low light. A reinforced AI engine improves details while suppressing noise with upgraded noise and object recognition. Generative edit and edit suggestions use Galaxy AI to help you create the perfect picture every time that can easily be shared on social apps. And there's the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and yes, this is the Galaxy S24 Ultra that I'm talking about here on this video. So, yeah, that looks like they're playing Call of Duty Mobile there. Kind of looks like it though, but if you guys know what game that is, let me know in the comments below. But I think it's Call of Duty Mobile, but I'm not sure. So it says here with the fastest processing speed and with an improved cooling system, you can experience next level gaming experience designed for premium gaming performance. Enjoy hyper-realistic visuals and accurate ray tracing with a faster touch response. Samsung has collaborated with top-level gaming companies to truly enhance your mobile gaming experience on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. With its large 6.8-inch Quad HD+ display, you can dive into content with Samsung's brightest and clearest display ever that maximizes contrast and color. Viewing and watching content looks great with a large screen and slimmer bezel, paired with its 5,000 mAh battery and video sharing system. Let me read that again, alright? It says paired with its 5,000 mAh battery and video streaming system, video streaming optimization, you will be able to enjoy your content longer, right? With the new sturdy titanium frame and the ultra strong Golden Glass Victus 2. Let me read that again. It says with the new sturdy titanium frame and an ultra strong Gorilla armor that helps protect your screen from scratches. Galaxy S24 Ultra keeps you doing what you do best because you know your phone is up to the challenge, right? You can do so much more with Galaxy Connect experience. Send big files on the spot with quick share and simply enjoy the ease of answering calls and checking text with the Galaxy Watch or Galaxy tablets, plus connect to Galaxy Buds instantly to stay tuned into your calls and favorite content. Specs: the Galaxy S24 Ultra is 6.40 inches in height, 0.34 inches depth. The Galaxy S24 Ultra weighs 8.22 ounces. Type-C charging. It has titanium black, titanium gray, titanium yellow, and titanium violet color options. Noticeable materials: titanium frame, titanium front glass, Gorilla Glass armor. The back glass is Gorilla Glass Victus 2, 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display, 2x Quad HD+, 3120 by 1440 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate, 5,000 mAh battery, 45 hours of talk time, 4.58 days of standby time, fast charging, wireless charging, 12-megapixel front-facing camera, autofocus, f2.2 aperture. Rear cameras, you get 4 of those. You get a 200-megapixel wide-angle camera, 2 telephoto cameras. One of them is 10 megapixels with 3 times optical zoom, and then another one is 50 megapixels with 5 times optical zoom, and then a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera there on the back. Zoom is 3 times optical zoom, 5 times optical zoom, and 100 times space zoom. Alright. Camera modes I mentioned those at the beginning of the video here. You have portrait, pro video, single take, night mode, food, panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, dual recording. It has Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, octa-core, Android 14, One UI 6.1, mobile device, voice assistants. Obviously, you have Google Assistant and Bixby. Hearing aid, some accessibility settings here, HD voice, star ratings, music player, Spotify. Text messaging, you have Samsung messages and Android messages, so it's pretty cool. Wi-Fi calling, yeah, you get Wi-Fi calling, Wi-Fi connectivity, audio calling. Obviously, this is a phone, no shit. Video calling, Bluetooth 5.3. Mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. You have a eSIM option, that's your primary SIM, and then you can use a physical SIM card which takes a nano SIM card. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Video capture, front camera records in 4K 60. The back camera records in 4K 60, 4K 120 for slow motion videos, and 8K 30. Alright, so pretty cool. The length of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is 3.11 inches. Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 6E, and Wi-Fi 7 are your Wi-Fi options there. So pretty cool. 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigs or 512 gigabytes of storage. 19.519 aspect ratio. You do have 4G LTE, 5G nationwide, and then of course 5G ultra wideband, which is the fastest network on Verizon. So yeah. If you guys need help with your Galaxy S24 Ultra, Verizon is here to help you out with that. Here says it here, Verizon Wireless Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. What comes in the box is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, Type-C to Type-C data cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions, and you guys will need a Type-C charging brick. So send stuff in the box there. And obviously you do get your S Pen, but it'll be inside the phone when you get the phone, so don't worry about that. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note series and the S Pen and the features that the phone has, go get the phone. I like the phone a lot. I'm personally am a big fan of the design of the phone and the features. So yeah, get this phone if you guys are interested. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will get to you guys in the next one. Peace out.